everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna, and today I have for you Doorables Disney 100 Multi-Peak Series 10 opening for you. Now, I did go back on my word, and I said I wasn't going to buy these until they came down on discount, but I did get 10% off of these because a friend of mine works at Walmart, saw me checking out, and he slipped his card in there. He said, hang on, slipped his card in there and gave me his 10% discount. So I did get a few bucks off of these. So I guess technically it's not going against what I said I was going to do. But maybe by the spirit of the law or the letter, it may be. Anyway, without further ado, let me just open these up. This is what you can get. You can take a screenshot of that. There is a 100 limited edition Mickey Mouse. So he's a limited edition. Then there's special figures that are the special edition. There's Woody, Elsa, Winnie the Pooh, Tiana, Snow White, Simba, Stitch, Jack Skellington, and Minnie Mouse. These are the rest of the characters you can get. Blue means they're an ultra rare, or green means they're rare. Okay, so without further ado, just let me bim bam and open this, ma'am. We just get into it. This box here is box A30. Sorry, A30. So let's see, it says open here. Will I get 5, 6, or 7 bags? We will find out. Oh, that's one bag. 2 bags. Oy. Oh, come on. No, this kind of reminds me of Operation. 3 bag. What in? Oh, look! Listen, look. I thought I got the same number, but 161 and one is 19. One is 19, one is 61. Okay. And then here is the little collector's guide. And then I got bag number 75. Gosh, this really does remind me of Operation. And box 25. So this one here, I just got 5 bags. So let me start with the first one. What is our luck gonna be? Oh, yay! Oh, what the hell is his name? It's not Remy. You guys are already screaming out his name. Alfredo Linguini. Oh my gosh, I got Alfredo Linguini. He is just a common, but I love him nevertheless. And he was in bag number 19. Bag 61. Oh, cute. Look, it's what the hell is his name? Arlo. Excuse me, Arlo. I didn't know his name was Arlo. Look how cute he is. Arlo. That is so cute. Okay, Arlo was in bag 61. In bag number 37. Oh, yes! Cusco. Yeah, he is cute. Look at Cusco. Oh, don't mind my nails. You know what I decided? I decided not to do my nails because it's so expensive. And for me to go and do a fill on my nails, plus they charge you for taking off the gel polish, which they practically force you. You do gel more better. You do gel. Okay. I do gel, and then when I come back for do gel, then you tell me, oh, $10 extra, take off gel. I'm like, the same gel that you practically forced me to put on? Anyway, out of bag 25, we have, oh my gosh, my favorite in all the world, Cinderella. And she's got a tutu on. Look at her. What's wrong with her eye? Oh, there. She had something on her eye. Oh, this is so cute. And she's sparkly on her leggings and on her little shirt. Sparkles. So she was bag number 25. And then in bag number 75, because all the bags are numbered, I know I should be writing this down somewhere. Oh my gosh, I got Jack Skellington and he's a special edition figure. Oh my gosh. Oh, and listen, I have never seen this movie before. Everyone tells me to watch it. It's cute. I have not seen it. Number 75. Ooh, I can't wait to show my girlfriend Monica. She loves Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, gonna break into the next one. And this box is the Multi-Peak A34. So what was this one? 32? No, 30. And this one is A34. So I'm gonna break into here and see how many bags we got. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 doors. Yes, I just noticed that. I think the other one only had 5 doors. So number 55. Ooh, I hope I don't get dupes. Bag number 3. Bag number 47. Come here, Buggy. Open this one. Is bag number 26. So far, no dupes. What is this one? 66. All right. And then this one is 42. Yeah, I didn't get 42 either. Oh my gosh, I think this is gonna be a great, oh no. Oh yes! Okay, cool. I thought this one was gonna say 19, but it says 18. So that tells me right there, I do not have any dupes, baby. And to get 7 bags, like, I'm super stoked. Okay, let's see what I got. On with the show. In bag number 55, I got, oh, who the heck is this? I'm liking this. Oh, Terry and, oh, it's Terry and Terry. Terry with an I and Terry with a Y. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's cute. That is super cute. I love that I'm getting different characters. Okay, number 42. Open this bad boy up. And I have, this one's flocked. Who is this? This is hilarious. I don't know who any of these characters are. Who in the tarnation is this guy? I know you guys are screaming it out. Let me see. Oh, Dodger. Okay, he's just a common, but I got Dodger. Dodger. And then the 2-headed one, the Terry and Terry, that was actually an ultra rare. So, man, I've got some good pulls. I don't want to jinx myself. Let's see who number 3 is. Hopefully it's someone I know. Oh, the little glasses or whatever. The little, his name is Lenny. That is so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Boy, I really got some different pulls. I can't wait to tell my friend. She is gonna love it. Oh, who is this? Oh, this is I have the soda of this. This is Chef Colette. This is Chef Colette. Colette, yeah. I have this one in a Funko Soda. So she's number 18. Let me pull number 47. And let's see what 47 is. Okay. Now I should know his name. I want to say it's, I was going to say Flynn Rider, but it's not. It's not Flynn Rider. Hold on. It's from Frozen. He's from Frozen. Oh no, he's not. Guys, this is Captain John Smith. Love it. I thought it was the guy from Frozen. Can't think of his name right now. Okay, number 26. So far, it's like I only knew Cinderella. Okay, number 26. Oh, I got a Kokomora. Yeah. Oh, that is so cute. The Kokomora is, look at that. Look at how cute the Kokomora is. And the Kokomora is, wait, there's two Kokomoras. This one, oh, they're both rare, but this one is, okay, so there's two Kokomora. This one is this one, I think. No, it's this one with the hatchet. It's this one with the hatchet. So there's two, oh wait, there's three Kokomora to get. Three Kokomora. Okay. Huh, that will be interesting. Okay, what if this number, is this 99? Or is it, oh, it's 66. I was gonna say, what if this is Mickey Mouse? Feeling around in here. Does it have ears? It has something. Let me see, it has, oh, I think it's a dog. It has some kind of ears. Okay, stop just feeling, just open the darn thing. Oh, yay! Robin Hood. Wait, is this Robin Hood? Yes, it's Robin Hood. So he's a common. He's a common, but it's okay. You know, we're all commoners here. That is so cute. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, I love my pulls. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you think of it. Hope everybody's having a great day. I'll talk at you guys soon in the next video. Bye.